Hello student, today we will start the new chapter coordinate geometry. Is Coordinate geometry is very important branch of mathematics. It is not the new for you, maybe the name is new for you, that is used to locate a point on the plane or the graph paper. In the graph paper we have shown the different points at the different places, or you have plot the graph etc. So the first example, locate the position of a point on paper. Here in the first figure I have marked a point on the graph, on the paper. You want to locate its position. So first upon we will measure the distance from the longer edge and the shorter edge. Suppose the distance from the longer edge 5 centimeter and from the shorter edge is 15 centimeter. So what we can say, it is 5 comma 15 centimeter, 5 from the longer edge and 15 from the shorter edge. So this is, or we can say 15 centimeter comma 5 centimeter, 15 centimeter from the shorter edge and 5 centimeter from the longer edge. So this is, in this way we can locate the position. Now see that example number 2. To locate the position of a student or shaded box in the square grid. As you are knowing, all of you are sitting in the class in the rows and columns. If you just think in your class, all of you are mostly seated in the 8 columns and 4 or 5 rows. So here you can see a box, it is given in that 5th column and the 3rd row. So what is that position of this shaded box? The position of the shaded box is 5th column, 3rd row, or simply we can say 5 3. Or if we write that row number first and column number second, then 3 comma 5. This is that your location in the class, or it can be any other. And one more, it is given a picture of the student, it is given in the 4th column and 1st row. So its position is 4 comma 1. Now see that third example. To locate the position of a book in the bookshelf of a library without going in the library, and if you want to show any of the student where is the book kept. So we have needed the two information. First, shelf number, and second, book number. So how can we explain? This book is kept in the shelf number this. Suppose it is kept in the 3rd shelf and 7th book. So the position of the book is 3 comma 7. Or if we write the book number first and shelf number second, then 7 comma 3. So this is the way to locate the position of the shelf, position of a book in the shelf. Next, there are the two questions in exercise 3.1. First question is, how will describe the position of a table lamp in your study table to another person. So to locate the table lamp, it is just like to locate the point on a paper. So here first upon we'll mark it. Let PQRS is a top of the table and A is the position of table lamp. So first upon we will measure the distance of the lamp from the longer edge and shorter edge. Suppose the distance of a table lamp from the shorter edge is 50 centimeter and from the longer edge is 25 centimeter, or from the bottom edge is 25 centimeter. So you have to measure the distance from the longer edge SR. Suppose it is 25 centimeter, and again measure the distance of the lamp A from the shorter edge, and shorter edge is marked by the PS, is 50 centimeter. So we can write the position of the table lamp is 50, 25, 50 centimeter from the shorter edge and 25 centimeter from the longer edge. Or we can write 25, 50, 25 from the longer edge and 50 centimeter from the shorter edge. So in both the way we can say, we can describe, and this is also say sometimes it is more clear we want to say from the left edge or right edge. So it is also, so this is the way to locate the position of the table lamp. Now another question number 2. Here it is given that street plan of a city. A city has two main roads which are cross each other at the center of the city. These two needs are along with the north-south direction and east-west direction. These are the two main crossroads. Now all the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads which are 200 meters apart. These are about 5 streets and each direction of using 1 centimeter equal to 200 meter. This is to plot the map, we have to use this measurement. In place of 200 meter we have to use 1 centimeter. Draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent the road street by the single line. These are many cross streets in your model. A particular cross street is made by the two streets, one running in the north-south direction and another in the east-west direction. Each crossroad is referred in the following manner. Here it is given compulsory ki what we have to take first. So what it is given, if the two streets running in the north-south direction and 5 in the east-west direction, means north-south direction we have to write first and then we have to write the direction of east-west at the same crossing. Then we have to call the cross street as 25, means two number we have to give the number for first for north-south and the second number you have to give it for east-west. Using this convention, find. So there are the two questions are given to you. How many cross streets can be referred to as 4-3 and how many cross streets can be referred to as 3-4. So answer is not the difficult. First we have to draw the model. So first draw the bold line, it is mentioned north-south, and second bold line it is given west to east. Now 5 streets are given, that is street number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is parallel to the north-south direction, and street number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it is given parallel to east-west direction. Any number of streets you can draw either side. one side 2, other side 3, or one side 3 and other side 2, or one side 4, other side 1, like this. So any number that is depending on us. Now you can see it is given the first question, how many cross streets referred to as 4 3. 4 3, 4 number we have to give it for north south, and 3 number you have to give east west. So you will get only the one cross street. And for 3 4 also you will get it 1. So this is the answer, only 1 1, that is unique answer, you will get it. Now these are the two questions assignment I have given. You have to solve you. First, how will you describe the position of a wall clock on the wall to another person? The second, how will you describe the position of a bench in a rectangular garden to another person? So these two questions you have to solve.